Okay, so for this problem, we need to translate triangle ABC 3 units down and 2 units right, and then we need to label the image because remember they have graphed the pre-image. So I'm going to take each point and I'm going to move it down 3 and right 2. So for A, I'm going to come down 1, 2, 3 and right 1, 2. Here is A prime. Same thing for all the points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. C prime. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. B prime. Now, I don't have a straight edge that I can use, so I'm going to do my best to make these lines straight. It's easier on Pear Deck because they have a line function. But this is where your new triangle should be, and all we had to do was translate and label it. So that's it for this one. Now, this isn't part of the question, but I want you to think about the properties that were preserved and which properties were changed. So while I write this, think to yourself, what was preserved? Which properties stayed the same? So, size and shape. It's a rigid transformation, so it has to still be the same size and it has to still be the same shape, right? Otherwise, something else happened. Now, did my location change? Well, yes, because, different color. First, it was up here, and then it got moved down and a little bit to the right. So, my location has changed. Has my orientation changed? So is the way this triangle facing different? Well, no, it's facing the exact same way. So the orientation is the same. Okay, my side lengths, my angle measures, my area and perimeter are also all the same. I didn't give myself enough space. So area, perimeter, pretend that's an M, side lengths, all that's the same, okay? But location is different.